In this video, I will show you how to write one half in Microsoft Excel. So click any cell and insert, then click on equation. Here select fraction and select any style of fraction. Type in first fraction 1 and second fraction 2. Select them and in the home tab, adjust the size like this. To remove, select it and delete. Click on insert, then equation, and here you can select any style like this one or this one. One and in the second one two. Third style, equation and select this one. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.